health habit adjuster. If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. Everyone is talking about ashwagandha tea for stress, but there is a secret the supplement industry isn't telling you. While your daily cup feels like a healing ritual, the science backing those miracle results, it isn't actually about the tea at all. I'm going to break down why your herbal tea might be failing you, and the beauty from within secrets that actually work. Known as Indian ginseng, ashwagandha has been a staple of Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Today it's the king of adaptogens, promising to fix everything from our cortisol levels to our complexions. But here is where the controversy begins, the gap between the whole root and the laboratory concentrate. To understand why you might be wasting your money, we have to look at the extraction lie. Most clinical studies use standardized extracts like KSM-66. These are concentrated versions of the plant's active compounds. A single capsule can deliver the bioactive punch of several grams of raw root. Your tea, it usually contains less than 1%. Furthermore, those active compounds are fat-soluble. Drinking them in a water-based tea without a fat source limits absorption. If you stick with tea, you must pair it with a fat-like milk to actually get those benefits into your bloodstream. Now let's talk about what happens when you actually get the dosage right, starting with your brain. Ashwagandha's superpower is regulating the HPA axis. High-quality extracts can drop your cortisol by up to 30%. It doesn't just numb the stress, it helps your body adapt to it, preventing that wired but tired feeling. And then there is sleep. The species name Somnifera literally means sleep-inducing. It's a game-changer for insomnia. For fitness enthusiasts, it's a recovery hack. It lowers exercise-induced cortisol, which otherwise breaks down your muscle tissue. But the most overlooked benefit, beauty. Ashwagandha is a secret weapon for skin and hair. It stimulates the synthesis of multiple collagen types, helping to maintain elasticity and fight fine lines from the inside out. By balancing cortisol and DHEA, it keeps your skin hydrated and prevents those painful stress-induced hormonal breakouts. And for hair, it addresses stress-induced shedding at the root, while its antioxidants might even slow down premature graying. But we have to be honest, this is the part they don't want you to know. It's not for everyone. Ashwagandha can stimulate your thyroid. If you have hyperthyroidism, this could be dangerous. Same for those on thyroid meds. Long-term high doses have been linked to liver issues, and it is strictly contraindicated during pregnancy due to uterine risks. So how do you use it? Look for standardized extracts like KSM-66. Take it with a healthy fat, and cycle your use. Don't just follow the trends, understand the science. Subscribe to Decode Your Daily Habits, and I'll see you in the next deep dive. To truly respect this herb, we must travel back 3,000 years to the roots of Ayurvedic wisdom. In Sanskrit, ashwagandha means smell of the horse, referring to the strength and vitality it was believed to impart. But it isn't just a tonic, it is an adaptogen. This means it helps your body maintain homeostasis during times of chaos. Think of your body like a thermostat. When stress hits, your HPA axis, the brain to adrenal connection, goes into overdrive. Constant stress leads to cortisol steal, where your body prioritizes stress hormones over reproductive and thyroid health. Ashwagandha acts as the master regulator, dampening that signal and allowing your system to finally reset. But not all extracts are created equal. Let's compare the 3 heavy hitters you see on every label. KSM-66 is the industry standard. It's a root-only, full-spectrum extract designed for high-impact stress relief. Sensorel uses both roots and leaves. It's more potent and often more sedative, making it the better choice for sleep. Then there is Shodan, at 35% concentration. It is the most bioavailable form on the market today. For the athletes, this is where it gets interesting. Ashwagandha has been shown to significantly boost VO2 max. By lowering exercise-induced cortisol, it prevents the muscle breakdown that happens when you push too hard. Studies have even linked consistent use to greater gains in strength and muscle size compared to a placebo. But let's get back to the beauty protocol. It isn't just about topical creams, it's about internal balance. Ashwagandha boosts DHEA, a precursor to estrogen that keeps your skin hydrated and plump from within. And for hair, it addresses stress-induced shedding at the root, while its antioxidants might even slow down premature graying. When you're shopping, root powder is not the same as standardized extract. Always read the fine print. Look for brands that provide a certificate of analysis. This ensures your extract is free of heavy metals and toxins. Ashwagandha also works better when paired with other holistic tools. It's about the synergy. Combine it with turmeric for a powerful anti-inflammatory duo that protects your skin and joints.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Or take it with magnesium at night to amplify the somniferous sleep-inducing effects for a deeper rest. To prevent tolerance, I recommend cycling. Take it for 8 weeks, then take a 2-week break. This keeps your HPA axis responsive and prevents your body from relying solely on the supplement for balance. We live in a world designed to keep us in fight or flight mode. Our biology hasn't caught up to our technology. Ashwagandha isn't just a trend. It is a bridge back to our natural state of calm and resilience. I want to hear from you. Have you noticed a difference between your tea and your capsules? Tell me in the comments. Scientists are now looking at ashwagandha for neuroregeneration, the potential to repair brain cells. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of what this ancient root can do for the modern mind. The ultimate goal isn't just better skin or lower stress. It is a higher quality of life through informed choices. So remember, tea for the ritual and mild support, extracts for the clinical, transformative results. And always check with your doctor, especially if you have thyroid issues or are pregnant. This is about more than just a supplement. It's about decoding the language of your own body. From the fields of India to the modern laboratory, the truth about ashwagandha is finally being revealed. You now have the tools to separate the marketing hype from the medicinal reality. Use them wisely. We have covered a lot today, and I appreciate you staying with me to understand these critical details. Holistic health is a journey, not a destination. It's built on small daily habits like your herbal tea ritual. Stay curious, stay informed, and always look deeper than the trending headlines on your social feed. Because the truth is usually found right where it started, in the roots. I'm honored to be your guide. But what exactly are these withanolides? They are a group of at least 40 different chemical compounds unique to this plant. Whether you choose the tea or the extract, may your path to wellness be clear and effective. Traditional Ayurvedic preparation often involves boiling the root in milk for hours, a slow extraction process modern tea bags just can't match. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to join our growing community of decoded herbalists. You can also add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine helps enhance the absorption of the active compounds through your gut wall. Check out our other deep dives on the channel to keep building your holistic wellness library. I'll see you there. My final verdict? Ashwagandha is an essential tool for the modern world, provided you respect the science of the extract. Stay with me as we continue to unlock the secrets of the botanical world in our upcoming deep dives. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
Your wish is my command.